Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Excel Tech and Tricks. Today, we are going to fix sorry, we couldn't find your file was it moved, renamed, or deleted error in Excel. Thus, if you're facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Go for renaming your Excel file as a first resort. To do so, go to the location where your faulty Excel file is saved. Then, right-click on the file and rename it. Sometimes, files can end up in the recycle bin. If your file was accidentally deleted, you might be able to restore it from there. If too many apps are running in the system's background, it can cause this error. Closing the unnecessary apps could work for you. To do this, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter keys to open the Task Manager, or you can simply search it. Under Process tab, right-tap on the useless apps, choose End Task. Trying to open the file with a different or incorrect extension may cause this error. To fix the error, try changing the default file format and location. Open Excel, click File menu, Options. In Excel Options window, under Save Workbook section, click on Save Files in this file format drop-down. Select another file location and supported file format. Click on Apply and then OK. Now try to open the Excel file. If you're encountering this error due to permission issues, you can try changing them. To do so, locate and right-click on the file that won't open and click Properties. Click Security tab and hit the Edit button. When the File's Permissions dialog box appears, click on the Add button. Click Advanced from the Select Users or Groups window. Click Everyone from the Group or Usernames box and check all the checkboxes under Allow. Click on Apply and then OK. Now try to open the Excel file. Use Excel's built-in Open and Repair utility to repair the corrupted Excel file and solve we couldn't find your file error. To run this tool, ensure to close all the Excel files. Open the Excel application. Go to the file Open. Under the dialog box that opens, click on the Browse to choose an Excel file that is showing this error. Once you have selected the file, click on a small drop-down arrow next to an Open button, click Open and Repair. Then Repair. If you are looking for a way to fix Excel workbook corruption and recover all its data, then you can download the Excel Repair tool by clicking on the link given in the description box. This software can repair all sorts of damages, corruption, and errors in the Excel file. Therefore, just try it and see how it works. So, this is all about fixing sorry, we couldn't find your file was it moved, renamed, or deleted Excel error. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users, and subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.